class, welcome to Fundamentals of Chemistry. I'm Dr. Sujatha Krishnaswamy. Today we will look at the second model of the atom known as the Thomson's Plum Pudding model. After almost 50 years after Dalton proposed his model, it was found that atoms were divisible. Once you divide the atoms, there were two subatomic particles that were discovered. One of them is called the electrons. These are negatively charged. And the second type of subatomic particle to be discovered are the protons, which are positively charged. Electrons have a charge of -1 and the protons have a relative charge of +1. They both exist in the atom, therefore an atom is electrically neutral. The number of electrons equals the number of protons. Based on this discovery, another English chemist, J.J. Thomson, proposed a model known as a plum pudding model. According to this model, the atom is a sphere which is made up of a positive charge, and the electrons are embedded throughout the sphere. So the electrons resemble the raisins in a plum pudding model, or you can think of a chocolate chip muffin. So the muffin would be the positive charge, the chocolate chips are embedded in the muffin, and these are the negatively charged electrons. So if you look at the picture there, you have X number of positive charges, you will have an equal number of negative charges. So an atom is electrically neutral. The number of positive charges will always equal the number of negative charges. So more information about the subatomic particles was discovered. For example, Millikan performed an experiment called the oil drop experiment, which determined the charge of an electron. Thomson was then able to calculate the masses of the proton and the electron. The masses of the protons and the electrons are given there on the slide. One important thing to note is the proton is much heavier than the electron. So between the two subatomic particles, the lighter particle is the electron. So thank you for joining us today. I hope to see you again next time, the next model of the atom called the Rutherford's nuclear model.